Let's just make a couple predictions here. It's 2025. What's out there?
I don't think we can ever improve upon Mother Nature. But what we can do is hopefully take advantage of what Mother Nature does so well.
If you're going to build a heart, you need cells. But beating cells right here in a dish aren't enough to make a heart. You need a place to put those cells.
Printing a heart valve. How does one begin to even think about printing a heart valve?
In reality, anybody who has ever made a birthday cake can 3D print something that is as complex as a heart valve.
Science isn't technology. We don't say, I'm going to go in and discover that electrical signals can trigger regeneration.
We're not building organs and tissues, we're building hope.
Unbelievable.
It's quite extraordinary work.